Oh, hi guys. So this is the last part 5 for questions 81 to question 100. Okay, so now let's look at question 81. There's chocolate in the cake. Okay, so chocolate is actually uncountable, right? So we cannot say a chocolate because a is only for countable. So a chocolate is wrong. Okay, so what about any and no? Okay, we can use any for positive sentence. This is positive sentence, affirmative sentence. We will only use any for negative or interrogative question. So the only answer is C. Okay, right, look at 82. Ryan eats meat. Okay, so let us look at it. Very few, very little or few. Okay, so for meat is uncountable. Okay, so we don't say few only, we have to say a few, right? So which one is the correct answer? When it's uncountable, yeah, B is the only answer because a few or very few, it's for countable. Okay, look at 83. Matt has got video games. Okay, is it countable or uncountable? Countable. So if it's countable, much is not the answer because much is only for uncountable, 不能算的. So whether it's lots or lots of, yeah, it's B. We can't say lots of video games. You must come together with of. Okay, next. 84. Have you got many cookery books? Yes, I've got. Okay, I've got. Okay, if you want to say a lot of, it must be together with a noun. So there's no noun at the back here. So I've got lots, that's all. Okay, if you want to use lots of or lots of, make sure there's a noun at the back. For example, I've got lots of frogs. Yeah, you must have a noun at the back. Okay, 85. This recipe uses sugar. Okay, sugar is countable and uncountable. Uncountable. So the only answer is very little because few and few is for countable. Okay, 86. They've got vegetarian dishes on the menu. Alright, so vegetarian dishes, 菜肴, 素食的菜肴, okay, dishes. So can you see the ES at the back? So that means it's plural. So that means it's countable, okay? So plural and countable. Right, much is for uncountable. Okay, so a few and a lot. But remember, a lot we have to add on of. Okay, so B is also wrong. So it's only a few. Okay, 87. Can I have cheese, please? Okay, so cheese is countable, uncountable? Uncountable. You can't count cheese, right? So can we use a? Cannot. Because we can't say a water. Water is uncountable, right? Can we say a water? Cannot. Okay, can you say many? Nope. Because many is for countable, so only some cheese. Some can be used for countable and uncountable, both. Okay, and number 88, you do the shopping. I did it this morning. Okay, I already did it this morning. 这个早上我已经去 shopping 了，所以你不用再去买东西了 right? So 你不用再去买东西了 So is it mustn't or can't? You don't have to. 你不用再去了 So the answer is don't have to. Okay, you don't have to do that, right? Mustn't 是一定不可以 right? 一定不可以 is for only for law, you know, laws is like the 法律那些规则 right? So can't is like you don't have the ability, 你不能，你不可以 okay? 不是，你不会 yeah. 89, we use the computer that says we're allowed, okay? We're allowed means 我们被允许 Oh, alright. So that means what? You can use a computer, right? Yeah, you can use a computer because we are allowed. Okay, so 90, you clean the house. I've already done it. Okay, so that means I have already done it. 我已经做好了 So 你不用再去 clean the house. So it's the 90 is A. You don't have to do that already. 91, you park outside the hospital. It's against the rules. Against means 你非 against the rules means 你违反了那个规则 Against means you go the opposite way 违反规则 right? So that means yeah, so when we are talking about the rules, very serious. So we should say you mustn't. Okay? 你不 可以，你一定不行 right? You mustn't. So 92, you talk during the exam is forbidden. Forbidden means 不被允许的，不被允许的. That means you're not allowed to do that. Okay, it's a no for you to do that. 不被允许. Alright, so what can you do? You shouldn't or you mustn't is mustn't. Shouldn't is like more like an advice, like 劝告, but you can choose not to do that. But so sorry, exam is exam. There are rules in the exam, so you mustn't talk. Okay, 93. We wait in school hall. Mr. Jones gave us permission. Okay, permission means 准许. Alright, 准许. So that means we can. Okay, 我们可以. Right, because Mr. Jones gave us permission. So 94. Adam the washing up yet. Okay, that means what? Adam 还没有做那个 washing up, 还没有洗东西. Okay, 还没有做. So when we are talking about something like 还没有做, we should use present perfect tense. Okay, so present perfect tense, the verb is like this: has or have plus the verb in past participle form. Not past form, it's past participle. Okay, so that's why you can see the word has, and also this is past participle, hasn't finished. Right, 95. Have you spoken to Joanne? Okay, have you spoken? 你最近有跟 Joanne 讲话了吗? Okay, recently. Okay, since is 自从, for is for how long, cannot. Okay, 96. For Paula for 10 years now. Okay, so what do we want to ask actually? No, have you known? Did you know? Okay, 你认识 Paula 已经10年了吗? So try to think about this situation. Okay, for example, now is 2023, right? Okay, so 10 years ago is 2022. Okay, so the question is asking you whether you have known Paula from the moment, okay, in 2022 until now. So this process is started in the past in 2022 and continues up to now, 2023. So this one we're gonna use present perfect tense. Has and have with the past participle. So the only answer is B. Cannot be A. A is past simple. Past simple is for the action that happened in the past. That's all. But it's not going to continue now. Right? Do you know it's present simple tense? No, it's not. Present simple tense is for, like, for example, timetable, for a habit that you do. Alright? It's not for the situation like this. Okay? 97. Lucy, her homework yet? Okay, again. 还没有做完功课了，还没有哦 right? So that means from 之前到现在都还没有做好他的功课 okay? So we can also say something like that. For example, we do not know when Lucy, okay, but now she still hasn't done her homework yet. So we have to use present perfect tense. Yeah, it's B. Okay, 98 here since 2012. Okay, 从2012年开始啊，他们是不是都住在这边? Alright, so same thing. Let me draw the time. The time chart for you. Okay, now it's 2023, right? So 2012. Okay, so the question is asking you whether they started to live here until now. 是不是从2012年开始到现在都住这边 Alright, so which one you gonna use? You use present perfect tense as well, so it's C. Okay, so number 99. Has Paul visited China? Right, Paul 有去过 China 吗? 有 visit 过 China 吗? Right, so the only answer is C, because ever is like 以前到现在 Okay, 一直以来有去过吗? Like for example, 从之前到现在你有去过吗? So ever is the answer. Has Paul ever visited? Okay, so number 100. He a new smartphone. Okay, look at the answer, the choices here. All these seems like they are past simple. That they're using for the actions that happened in the past, right? But there's no such thing as buy it. This is wrong. Okay, only bought and has bought. What is the difference between these two? Bought is past simple tense and has bought is present perfect tense. Okay, so these two tenses means the action happened in the past. 就是已经发生的. But which one should we use? Okay, Past simple, we will use past simple when it shows us when it happened. But present perfect, it happened in the past, but they do not tell you when it happened. So if you try to look at question number 100, he a new smartphone, do you know when he bought it? Nope. Okay, so that means we have to use present perfect tense. So it has bought. Right, so that's the end for all the questions. I hope that you understand all the questions and you know where your mistakes are. And if you still don't understand, you can come and text me, WhatsApp me. Okay, so thank you.